All right, I lied. Now I'm ready. This is break ID number 122, 2017 Gold Standard Football, one box break. Here's the alphabetical lists. And we're going to randomize the left side 3 times and then the right side 3 times. And there it is. Just take a look at it for a minute. I'll leave it up there. And here we go. There are only 6 left in the next one. Michael Dupree for the Packers. Chris S.N. Todd Gurley for the Rams. That is Jeremy C.A. And Dede Westbrook for Jacksonville. That is Chris S.N. And Henry Ellard out of 99 to the Rams, Jeremy C.A. And Kendall Beckwith, 37 out of 49. That is to Tampa Bay, Jeremy C.A. And nice patch out of 49, Michael Thomas. To the Saints. That is Chris H.E. And 38 out of 99, triple jersey. Deshaun Watson, Mike Williams, and Wayne Gallman. So that will be a random between the Giants, Chargers, and Texans. So we'll do that right now. Give me 1 second. All right. Those 3 teams, we will random this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. New York Giants. See who has New York. That is Chris SN. All right. Let me see how many are in this last one. 6 left still in this last one. As soon as that sells out, we'll do one more.